Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Dext and Zoho Books together on our demo system. So the first thing we need to do is set up the connection. So we have to go to the business settings within Dext itself. So if I call up Dext here, and I log in, with my username and password. Okay, so first thing I've got to do is I have to hit the, bring this down here. There we go. So if we go to business settings over here, and this is where you would have entered a lot of your details in previously. So I'm just doing this as a test system. We want to go to our connections here, and you can see here the accounting software. So we want to go to Connect, and we want to find Zoho Books. So it's the Z at the bottom, so we hit Connect. So it's going to say how to connect. So we're going to connect it. We connect, and we hit accept. And it's going to say which one, because you may have a number of different logins on Zoho. So this is saying that this is the one that we want to connect to. This is our suggestion. Hit next. That's it. And that's done. So now we know that Zoho Books is connected to Dext. So now when a import bill is submitted through Dext, that will appear in Zoho Books, and that'll be my next video.